A special invitation from the year 1500, the Renaissance. A time of great art and big ideas awaits.
Let's go see what amazing things people were creating.
Welcome to Florence, Italy. Everywhere you look, art, music, and invention.
Look, is that Leonardo da Vinci?
Curiosity and creativity make the future possible. Would you like to try one of my puzzles?
Yes, we're ready.
We did it.
Bravo, you think like true Renaissance inventors?
The Renaissance was about more than art. It was about new ideas that shaped our world.
Join us next Friday for another exciting trip through time.